Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time in your Noise smartwatch using an easy method. First, download the Noise Fit application from your phone's app store. Make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery life. Next, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone to begin the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup experience. Once the app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log in. Then, tap on Add Device and select your specific Noise smartwatch model from the list. A pairing request will appear on both your phone and the watch. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. This ensures your devices can communicate effectively. After successful pairing, your Noise smartwatch will automatically synchronize its time and date with your smartphone. Take a moment to verify that the time and date displayed on your watch are accurate. It's also important to ensure your phone's time zone settings are correct, as the watch relies on this information for precise timekeeping. If you encounter any issues with the time display, try restarting both your smartphone and your Noise smartwatch. If the problem persists, unpair and then repair the devices through the Noise Fit application. Always check for available updates for both the app and your smartwatch's firmware, as these often resolve common syncing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.